The new SEO strategy for 2025, keywords? They've been the backbone of SEO for years, but as we enter 2025, everything is changing. Search engines are evolving, and so should your SEO strategy. If you're still focusing only on keywords, you might be falling behind. Today, I'm revealing the cutting-edge strategy that's replacing traditional keyword optimization and transforming how websites rank on Google. Stick around because this is a game changer. Chapter 1. Why keywords alone no longer work. For years, SEO revolved around keywords, finding the right ones, stuffing them into content, and hoping for high rankings. But here's the truth. Google is no longer just looking at keywords. Instead, it's focusing on context, user intent, and topical authority. Think about it. When you search for something on Google, are you simply looking for a page that repeats your keyword 100 times? No. You want accurate, relevant, and helpful information that answers your question or solves your problem. Google understands this. They've invested heavily in AI and machine learning to understand the meaning behind searches, not just the keywords themselves. That's why simply targeting keywords is no longer enough to rank high in 2025. Chapter 2. The new SEO strategy, entity-based optimization. Enter the future of SEO, entity-based optimization. Instead of just keywords, search engines now focus on entities, people, places, concepts, and things that are connected in a meaningful way. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're searching for best running shoes. In the past, Google might have simply looked for pages that mentioned those keywords. But now, Google understands that you're looking for information about the entity running shoes. They want to know what type of running shoes you need, trail running, road running, etc., your foot type, pronation, arch support, and even your budget. They'll also consider entities related to running shoes, like popular brands, shoe reviews, and even running stores near you. This means your content needs to go beyond just mentioning keywords. You need to demonstrate a deep understanding of the topic, connect relevant entities, and provide comprehensive information that satisfies user intent. Chapter 3. With AI-powered search growing, the way people interact with search engines is evolving. Google's Search Generative Experience, or SGE, is already shaping results by summarizing answers, reducing click-throughs to traditional websites. So, what's the future of SEO? The future of SEO is all about adapting to these changes and optimizing for both users and AI. Here are a few key strategies to focus on. 1. Build topical authority. Become an expert in your niche by creating high-quality, in-depth content that covers all aspects of a topic. Think of it as building a knowledge base that Google sees as a trusted source of information. 2. Structure content for AI. Use clear headings, subheadings, bullet points, and structured data to make it easy for search engines to understand and interpret your content. This helps them identify entities, relationships, and key information. 3. Optimize for user intent. Go beyond just answering the question. Anticipate user needs and provide additional value. Include visuals, videos, interactive elements, and internal links to related content to create a comprehensive and engaging user experience. 4. Focus on EEAT. Google prioritizes content that demonstrates expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Highlight your credentials, showcase real-world experience, and build trust with your audience. So is keyword-based SEO dead? Not exactly, but it's no longer enough on its own. The future of SEO is entity-based, context-driven, and optimized for AI. If you want to stay ahead in 2025, start focusing on building authority, structuring content for AI, and optimizing for user intent. Want more SEO insights? Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into SEO trends. Outro music fades out.